I'm excited you could join me for today's video. If you're not subscribed, make sure you do that. Welcome. Yeah, hello people. Yeah, so I'll be doing a live teaching now, okay, so that you can just have an idea of how it runs and how you can teach your child, because some people feel as though, or maybe so that it just doesn't always look like I show you the end product. So let's do the actual thing now. Okay, so if Ibukun wants to see herself, just a minute, okay? Hold on, let me switch the camera. Yeah, so just because Ibukun wants to see herself right now, this is just the morning drills you can have with your child. Yeah, if the child is awake before you leave for work, okay? Or probably on a weekend when you're not going to work and all that. So that's just what this is. So I'm not dressed. So, but you will still continue with the normal video shoot, okay? So I just want to quickly show you this on how I teach her, okay? Live, directly, so you can just see exactly the practical way of how to go about it, going how to meander around difficult words when you're introducing new words and concepts to the child, okay? So that you can also see all the idiosyncrasies that can possibly come while teaching a toddler, okay? And then you know that, okay, this is just how you go about it, and try to emphasize and be patient with the child, okay? So just stay tuned for that, okay? All right, thank you. All right, so Ibukun doesn't want to cooperate right now, so I'm going to have to stay at her level. Oh, yeah, let's stay together, okay? Don't worry, we'll see you. Okay, now what's this on the board?
Child.
Good girl.
Red.
Yes.
Fox.
Okay.
Top.
On
the
bed.
Bed.
Good job. So you can see that I wrote that one is that sentence is filled with words, although I wasn't sure of jump initially, but I guessed she would know jump. So now, but the second line is filled with new words that she's not really, I don't really think she's familiar with them. So I'm using that as, to teach the new concept. No, don't rub it off yet. Don't wipe it off yet. All right, so now read. Let's read this. Do you know this? What's this? Yeah, I'm sure. Don't worry, everybody is going to see you. No, okay. Milk. No, this is not milk, okay? So you ask, because you can see M and I, you associating to it's not milk. Now, this is Let's spell it together, Ibukun. Let's spell this. Where's this, my flash? Okay, it's like, please hold on. Let me see. All right, so I was able to get the flash on. Okay, now Ibukun, this is ein. Ein, because this is the magic E, okay? So this magic E makes the high to say its name. All right? Because you're doing something else there and I'm teaching you here. No, don't write. Don't write. No. So you can see all that. There's tendency for that to happen when you're teaching. Okay, so I need your marker. Okay, now what's this? Ibukun, you're focus. You're not concentrating. Everybody will see this on video and you also see it later. Okay, what's this? Come on, let's spell this. Come. This is carry. Can you say it after me? Carry again. Good job. Give me a 5. Yeah, that's my baby. What's this? No, mine. Yes, this is mine. Yes, ein. So you can see it. I've written it here. This is in. So now you can use that opportunity to show words that contrast in order to make the teaching easier. Hold on, I'll give you. So this is, you've made the marker to be faint. This is ein. It's okay. It's okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, so I had to go and take another marker because she didn't want to give me the blue marker anymore. So now we know mine. This is mine. Carry. So as you can see that this is not the regular sentence. It's not it's not a sentence filled with the words don't really correlate, okay? So I just filled the sentence with words that I think she might not be familiar with, just for her to get the picture and know how to spell them. So that is also an idea of what you can run. So it doesn't have to be the regular sentence that, you know, a child would know or something. So this sentence actually doesn't make sense. That's just what I'm trying to drive at. Okay, so what's this? Look at this. Good girl. What's this? From. Can you say it again? Say it loud. That's good of you. Give me 5. Yeah, but you're not speaking loud. You're not speaking out, okay? People will not hear you. Good girl. Now, what's this, Ibukun? Ibukun, what's this? Look here. What's this one? Can you see this? What's this? This. No. See? Okay, so she's just busy with her thing. She did not. I'm just trying. It's like I'm forcing her to cooperate now, but that's part of the Indio secret. That's why sometimes it looks as though I don't want to feature this kind of live sessions. Okay, now what's this? Ibukun, what's this? So you can see that a word she's not really familiar with. She tries to spell it before. So, but the one that looks a bit, when it has a kind of, when it has those phonemes, that's when you can see that she will just give it a name that it looks like to her, like the mind that she called milk. Okay, yeah, so that's, but let me see if she should attempt this. Okay, what's this? Good girl. What's this? She's right here. I don't know if you can see her hands. She's just not answering me. Okay, what's this? Don't you want me to give you your snacks? Do you want biscuits? I know you want biscuits. I know you want biscuits. No, this is not biscuit. So what's this?
It's biscuit.
No. 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 What's this? Let's spell it. Off.
No.
Yes, now.
Off. Biscuits.
No. Can you see now? She's okay, what's this? What's this one? You should know this. I think so. What's this? She knows it too. I think she has said it somewhere before. What's this? Yeah, spell this. Spell this. Win. Can you see this? Win. Okay. So she has left me. So I don't know if we'll be able to continue this. So you can see that that's part of the idiosyncrasies of when you're teaching your child. Sometimes you may just have to stop at where the child gets fed up and pick it up again at another time. Alright, so we'll continue this later. Thank you. Until next Sunday, have a great week.